Hey guys, we're going to do the KC97-L Stratofreighter today. It's skill level 2, and the skill level 2. What is a skill level 2? It's supposedly something you can do in your first glue together model. 144s are not really known for being, they are low parts count, but there's a lot of little tiny parts in them. And for a new or a novice modeler, that could be problematic. These things, you gotta have tweezers, and you can't be too ham-handed with the glue, because if you're ham-handed with the glue, it's gonna look like crap. This comes with a stand, but a KC97 on a stick. You'll probably see that on eBay one day. Here's the glass in its own separate bag. We're going to leave it like that. And then we got the jet engines. What is the KC97L besides ugly? And it's ugly. Only an engineer could love that thing. But what was it? It was a in-flight aerial refueling aircraft. Believe it or not, it did refuel B-52s. So the box art is surprisingly correct. That was one reason why they had to give it the jet engines, is to get it fast enough so it could work with the jets. So with that, we're going to get started on this, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Now the nice thing about these is that they have a little keyway, so you can't screw up. Well, anything can get screwed up, but the front of the thing is right here. So when you put the motors together, you at least can tell the front from the back. Well, this represents a couple hours worth of work on a skill level 2, 144 scale, KC97L tanker. As you can see, there are some issues. The least of which happens to be, there should be some locating holes here for a radio fairing, but there isn't. On the bottom, there's the requisite holes that are needed. There's quite a few gaps. Haven't finished the engines yet, but you can see there's some gaps there that are going to have to be filled in. And then there's the nacelles and how they made up to the wings. As you can see, there's going to be some gaps and some filling needed there. So with that, I'm going to call it a day for this. And I'll be back out here doing this sometime again soon. So y'all have a good one. And this is Signalman signing off.